You spend hours on ads, scroll, like, comment, share. You create value. But what do you get back? A badge? A follower count? Some digital points? Meanwhile, the company gets growth, profit, control. In the old model, users create the value, but don't own any of it. Now imagine if apps paid you back. That's tokenomics, a system where you earn tokens, not just for buying, but for helping the platform grow. Invite friends? Create content? Moderate the community? You earn a stake. These tokens can unlock access to features, votes on decisions, real value, not coupons, not likes, something you actually own. A game that rewards players, a music community that shares revenue, a social platform that pays creators and early users. Tokenomics turns users into participants. You don't just use the product, you're part of the economy. And when people own a piece of what they use, they stick around. They care more. They build more. That's how communities grow, not just platforms. Follow 1M Block for more.